In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline mode in Google Calendar. This feature is incredibly useful for those times when you find yourself without an internet connection, but still need access to your schedule. Whether you're traveling or simply in an area with spotty Wi-Fi, offline access ensures you won't miss a beat. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. More specifically, we recommend using Google Chrome. It's important to mention that Google Calendar's offline mode is only supported in Chrome, so make sure you're using that browser for these instructions. Type in the web address calendargoogle.com and hit enter to open Google Calendar. Once you have Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on this gear icon and from the drop-down menu, select settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your calendar. Now, once you're in the settings menu, look at the options listed on the left-hand side. Scroll through these options and click on offline. This will bring up the offline settings. Here's the most crucial step in this process. You'll see an option that says, turn on offline calendar. What you need to do is check this box. By doing so, you're enabling offline access to your calendar. Google Calendar will now begin the process of syncing your events directly to your device. This means that even when you're not online, you'll still have a copy of your events available to review and manage. At this point, your calendar is being saved onto your device, allowing for offline use. However, it's good to keep in mind that while you can view your events, any changes you make while offline will only sync when you reconnect to the internet. And that's it. You've successfully enabled offline mode in Google Calendar. From now on, whenever you open Google Calendar in Chrome, you'll be able to access your schedule even when you're disconnected from the network. A quick tip to ensure a smooth experience. Periodically check that your browser is updated to the latest version. Keeping Chrome updated can help avoid potential issues with accessing offline features and improve overall performance. Additionally, remember that this offline capability means you'll be storing some calendar data on your device. So make sure you're comfortable with this setup on shared devices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful guides. Stay organized and enjoy the convenience that offline mode offers.